Bangkok, a city of vibrant energy, exotic flavors, and legendary nightlife. But amidst the chaos, there's a world of pure relaxation, luxury, and indulgence. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to experience it. Imagine this: soft Thai music playing, the calming scent of lemongrass in the air, and expert hands melting away every ounce of stress from your body, all for a price so low it feels like a dream. Today we're diving into the best spas in Bangkok, where you can indulge in 5-star treatments for a fraction of what you'd pay anywhere else. Let's start with the place that defines Thai massage, Wat Pho Traditional Thai Massage School. This isn't just a spa, it's a sacred place where Thai massage was born. Located inside the historic Wat Pho Temple, this legendary institution trains the best therapists in Thailand. And guess what? You can get an authentic, expertly crafted Thai massage for just $10 to $15. It's a mix of deep pressure, stretching, and energy balancing. Your body will thank you for this one. Now, if you want something a little more upscale but still affordable, check out Let's Relax Spa. This award-winning spa is a hidden gem with multiple locations across Bangkok. Their signature dream package includes a foot massage, a full-body Thai massage, and an herbal compress, all for around $50. Luxury without the luxury price. But what if you want to escape Bangkok's hustle and step into paradise? Welcome to Oasis Spa Bangkok. Tucked away in a lush tropical garden, this place feels like a secret hideaway. Their 4-hand massage, where 2 therapists work on you at the same time, is an experience you'll never forget. Imagine synchronized movements, deep relaxation, and stress melting away instantly, all for around $60 to $70. For those who want ultimate luxury without limits, the Oriental Spa at Mandarin Oriental is where the rich and famous unwind. This place is ranked among the best spas in the world, and stepping inside feels like entering a royal retreat. Their royal Thai massage, infused with herbal compress therapy, costs around $100, but trust me, this is the kind of pampering fit for a king or queen. But let's be real, sometimes you just need a quick and budget-friendly fix. That's where Healthland Spa comes in. This place is a local favorite because of its high-quality treatments at shockingly low prices. A 2-hour traditional Thai massage here costs just $15. Yes, 2 hours of pure relaxation for less than the price of a cocktail. And we can't forget Bangkok's famous foot massage spots. After a long day of exploring temples, markets, and street food stalls, nothing beats sinking into a chair for a heavenly foot massage. Walk around Sukhumvit, Silum, or Khao San Road, and you'll find dozens of places offering foot massages for just $5 to $10. Cheap, quick, and unbelievably satisfying. Bangkok isn't just about temples and street food, it's also the ultimate destination for relaxation and luxury, no matter your budget. Whether you're looking for a high-end spa escape, an authentic Thai massage, or a simple but effective foot massage, this city has something for everyone. So, which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. See you in the next video.